everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a memory spread for the week of October 12th through the 18th. Make sure to stay tuned. I have lots of links linked down below, as well as PR info and all that jazz. If you want to see a detailed video for the base layout and the plan with me, I will have that link down below as well. And also, if you want to see a more in-depth haul of what was in this kit, it's a 6-page kit, and I also got some add-ons. This one is Scary Movies by Gold Paper Prints. If you want to see how my week went, go ahead and stay tuned. guys, this is the final layout. Let me just zoom out just a little bit. Here's my final layout and the final memory spread look. Let me know in a comment down below if you want me to go over verbally what I did when I come out and do the outro like I am now. Because when I plan, I cannot plan and talk at the same time. I've tried it numerous times and it does not happen. So let me know if you want me to go over like what I did each day, and then I can also go over stickers if needed, but like everything is gold paper prints, so easy enough. Let me know if you do want me to go over it verbally once it's done fast forwarding through putting down all the stickers. So yeah, I'll also put up a poll on my Instagram as well, so make sure you check out that in my Instagram stories. Let me get all of, here's everything that I use. Let me make sure I don't have anything over here. Okay. So here's what is left over of this 6-page kit. This. Oh, that one's thick. But I have this is fully done. I still have that little strip, which I figured out how I'm going to use it. You'll find out next month. Let me see. That's not part of the kit. This is, I used all of that. As you saw, I used like this bottom half, to kind of fill in some white space. I used most of that. Most of those, most of that, and where is my, I didn't use very many of the functional, there it is. Yeah, I didn't use very many of those, but it still has purpose in my mind, because if I end up getting a haircut, there's that, or if any like last minute bills come up or anything, which there won't, but still, or if I decide to clean my house multiple times. So yeah, this is the final layout. I used nearly all of everything in this kit. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on, let's see, this will be going up Wednesday. I'll see you guys on Friday with another base layout. Make sure that if you watch it, you comment down below, hashtag base layout Friday. Do that on Friday. And if you are watching this now, put an apple icon down below in the comments, or I don't know. Let me know. What do you think? Should I go over each day verbally and just tell you day by day, or should I just leave it at this beautiful spread, which I will also be posting many things in my Instagram, which I post there quite often, so make sure you check it out. And with that, yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday. Happy Wednesday, halfway through the week, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys.